Exciting news this week. Canva has a really fun new feature that I will show you in just a second. What's even better is that it's available if you have a free account, Teams account, a Pro account, Enterprise, or whatever, something fun to try. Let's go over to my screen and we'll take a look. Kim here from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. The new feature that you might want to try is this whiteboard. Now I could create a blank, but I just want to show you this as well because it's really useful. This Learn and Play section. And if you click on this Intro to Whiteboards in Canva Basics, you'll have a whiteboard screen that you can play with, which will give you an interactive learning experience. I'm going to click on that and we'll go through it. This is the Whiteboards Basics lesson. And Canva has a lot of these tutorials where you can just go in and play. I'm just going to go around the screen so you can actually see what's available. And there's lots of really good templates that you can use, which are a good place to start and make it much easier for you to begin your whiteboard experience. And you can share these in classes, you can share them with your team, and they're great for brainstorming. I'm going to close this down to give us the maximum screen possible. But obviously a whiteboard wants to take up a lot of space. It says zoom in here. Under Whiteboard Basics, it says to scroll around the page with your mouse or trackpad and complete the activities. So you can see how easy it is to incorporate a lot of the features in Canva in your whiteboard. It starts with navigation tips. It says to hold the space bar and drag to move it, or hold your mouse and your control key down to zoom in and out. Or you can use the zoom slider at the bottom. And if you get lost, just click on the percentages and you can click to fit. And that takes it back down to the size that it was originally. Now let's go to a couple of lessons and have some fun. For each of these aspects, there's a Learn section and then one you can play with. And that's very typical of the Canva Design School if you use that to learn how to use Canva better. You can see add a comment to an element below in my play area. So I can just select a photo and I can select that one. So I'm going to click on the comment and I can tag someone in here, a member of my team by doing an @mention, or someone else who is participating in the whiteboard, and they will see that comment. And that's got my Be Your Own Graphic Designer girl, which is my profile photo on this account. Let's try another one. So creating some sticky notes. And to find sticky notes is in the Elements section or press S. Because I'm actually already in the whiteboard, it's brought sticky notes up for me really quickly. Or they come in some lovely colors. When I click on here, add this sticky note. Easy enough to move. And now I just need to add my text. And I do like this color. I happen to be a purple person. I'm going to change the text as well. I'm going to use one of my brand fonts. And I think I'll make it a little larger. And let's scroll around. So this is changing shapes. I have got another video on that I'll link to. If I click on the shape in the play area and then go over here to the toolbar and click on shapes here, I can simply change my shape straight away. I think I'll change the color too. That's how easy it is to keep changing the shapes. You can just keep going through and let's do a star. I'm now going to click on the percentage and click to fit. You can make a flowchart. I'm not going to play with these, but I highly recommend that you go and have a play yourself. It's a really very good way to get used to using this. And adding some stickers is fun. And you can find stickers under Elements. Stickers that just come up here. And you have all sorts that I can use, word stickers, food stickers. I might just stick a banana with the monkey. And I managed to find a banana for my monkey. But you can add more fun stickers. And there are lots of recommendations, as you can see. And one of the other things that you can do, which is really very useful, particularly if you're in a brainstorming session, because you want to limit the amount of time that people have, is to add a timer. Click the timer at the bottom left, and it clicks to start counting down. And I'm going to adjust it again by clicking on zoom and then back to fit. And now I've tried most of the features on here. I hope that helps, and I hope you enjoy using whiteboards. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications when we publish our videos every week.